Jacob and Company Astronomia Tourbillon black ceramic black and red movement. Main features are case shape is round. Case material is ceramic DLC. Case thickness 25.0 m. Case diameter is 50.0 m. Movement is manual winding. Buckle type is deployment buckle. Buckle material is titanium. Strap material is alligator. Strap color is black. Water resistance is 3 atm, 30 meters, or 100 feet. Movement caliber number is JK19. Power reserve approximately 60 hours when fully wound. Number of joules are 42. Frequency is 21,600 VPH or 3 Hz. Number of parts are 365. Dial type is skeleton dial. Other functions are hours, minutes, tourbillon.